Hello friends, welcome to Vanita's Kitchen. Today I'm here to share an all-time eternal favorite of any age group. Guess what? It's Puri. This video is especially for beginners. Add 1 cup of wheat flour in a bowl and add required amount of salt. Mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix the flour again. For puri, the dough must be little bit stiff. So don't use water as a whole. Sprinkle water little by little and knead the dough evenly. But for chapathi, you can add water as a whole, as the dough should be soft and loose. I prefer it to knead it on a clean kitchen slab. Make sure that the hands are also clean. This way of kneading the dough will be comfortable for you rather than kneading it on a pan. Give it a good press. Beat the dough well so that you can incorporate air into the dough and so that the puri will be puffing up. Give it a good press. This needs little effort and strength, but it will end up as a stiff dough which gives soft and puff puris. Cover and allow the dough to rest for half an hour. Now we are going to roll out the balls. Take some portion from the dough and roll it into a nice smooth round ball with the palm of your hands and dust it with the flour and press it flat. While rolling, it has to be done from top to bottom with equal pressure on all the edges as well as the center. The puri should be rolled evenly, only then it will puff up. Thickness of the puri should be medium, not so thin, not so thick. Drop little dough to the oil. If it immediately starts floating, that means oil is rightly heated. Slide the rolled puri into the oil. Puri will settle the bottom for a few seconds. Once it starts floating, press on one side with the ladle. This will help the puri to puff up. Flip the puri and cook on the other side till it gets golden brown color. That's it. Our beautiful and delicious puri is ready to serve. Please try this wonderful recipe at your home. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe to Vanita's Kitchen for more interesting recipes. Share this recipe with your friends. Life is all about caring and sharing. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and bye-bye.